Very quickly, how can we add a debit card to Fanduel? First, you want to load up the application and log into your account. Afterwards, you will click on your balance right here in the top right corner. After you have selected your balance, you want to click on the three lines in the bottom right corner for the hamburger menu, and we will choose deposit. Once we have selected deposit, a new page is going to load like this, and we have to click on the right arrow. After we have selected the right arrow, it's going to show us all of our payment methods, and we can choose add a payment method, which is going to prompt us with bank account, debit card, PayPal here, and we will just choose debit card. Afterwards, we just have to input our card information, such as the number, CVV, and expiration date, and we can withdraw funds from Fanduel into our debit card. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.